Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 11th, 2021, Axie Infinity. Let's talk about this today. We want to give you all the updated price predictions into the market in Axie Infinity. What now? We did a video not long ago, playing the weakness in the market in Axie. You guys can tell that we were pretty much accurate in terms of where we're looking for the market to go. We were playing the weakness in the market for Axie Infinity. You guys can literally tell that that has occurred. Now what? What can we expect now in the market in Axie? Well, before I get started, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price predictions without the confusion. Everyone on YouTube is literally trying to get you all to understand and learn technical indicators. You don't even need it. Yeah, you don't. I'm giving you all instances to where I'm showing you don't need to have technical indicators on your price chart just to figure out where price is going to go. You just need to pay attention to the price bars and the volume. That's it. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my price predictions, hit the like button, and also subscribe to the channel, join the team, because this is what we do. We knock these predictions out the park and we continue to dominate the cryptocurrency space. So you guys can see it. November the 22nd was the last time I did a video. If you haven't watched it, you guys can still go see it because it is in our Axie Infinity playlist. Every video we do on this channel is in a playlist because we want to be fully transparent with each and every one of you. We don't hide anything from you all because we have nothing to hide. You can do this for yourself. You guys can see it from November the 22nd all the way until December the 4th is when the market came and tagged out our ultimate TP price right there around 20%, right? Cool, simple, easy, on to the next one, right? Let's try to figure this out, because another thing I want to show you is that when you do price predictions, you also can determine how low you expect the market to go, right? Technical indicators cannot give you that. It cannot tell you, okay, this is where the market is anticipated to go before we see support or before we see sellers, before we see buyers. It cannot do that. But what we possess here on this channel actually lets us know that, right? Take a look. For instance, when I did the video here on November the 22nd, we were anticipating the market to come in and find the buyers here, right there around $100. And since that time, since December the 4th, price has literally been trading around that vicinity. See, we know when to pop in and we know when to pop out the markets right there, 20%. Let's not be greedy. Let's come in, get the market, what it's offering to us, and be satisfied with it and move on to the next one. 20% right there. All right, so let me get rid of it. Now, question, where do you think we're going to go next? Seriously, where do you think price in Axie is going to go now? Look at this. Take a look. Okay. Now, many cryptocurrencies are now testing this all-important ascending line. This now is back into fruition. This is now on the table. We need to let buyers hold this ascending line in Axie Infinity, period. It's not hard, it's not complicated. We cannot allow price in Axie Infinity break this trend. Okay, that's it. Plain and simple. If anything happens in price and we see the market break this ascending line, we cannot expect us to continue to go up in price. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. Price has broken this all important massive upward trend. I mean, take a look. We started this back in June of this year. Price in Axie was able to elevate and keep itself above that ascending line, right? And here we are today. We're coming right back down. We need to see the buyers step in. Why is this so complicated? Why are people making it so complicated? They need to hold the line. The buyers need to hold this ascending line. Just that easy. Okay. So let's try to figure it out then. Because right now, yeah, the buyers are successful at allowing Axie Infinity's price to hold the trend. Now, my concern is when you look at this on a 2-day perspective, right? Take a look. This last completed 2-day price bar is still indicating that sellers are dominating the market. So we're not out the woods yet. Okay, let me set that out. Let me set the record straight. We are not out the woods yet for the buyers. They still have a lot of work ahead of them to ensure that they're able to buy up whoever is selling their Axie into the market. Okay, so you should be able to see the same thing on the 3-day time frame, right? This is the current 3-day price bar. We got 6 hours and 1 minute left. We need to pay attention. I'm here to tell you that the buyers haven't really shown up yet to confirm that they're willing to keep this market propped up above that ascending line. We don't see that yet. This is the 5-day, and this is even worse. This 5-day time frame into the market in Axie Infinity lets me know that we are on an increasing probability to see the market break this ascending line. Now, I know you guys don't want to hear it, but hey, it is what it is. You cannot do anything about price and where it's going to go. We simply need to prepare for it and get in position and win from it, right? Now, this is it. Okay, this is where the area of concern is, that we're going to determine what the market is going to do. Okay, first, this is where the sellers are at. Okay, sellers are right here at $120. Yeah, they have placed their flag down at $120, saying that the buyers would not go above 120. How do I know that? Well, look at the current 5-day price bar. Yeah, the buyers tried to break above 120, but they failed. They couldn't do it. So sellers at 120. Next, buyers are coming in here, right there around this $99, $100 price level. That's where the buyers are at. So this is the battle zone right here between everyone, right here. Now, the sellers came into this battle zone, so now they're actually dominating the market here in Axie. So they're winning right now. The sellers are. Okay. Yeah, they are. So what we're going to do, okay, is we want to prepare for these things. I'm not here to make you nervous. I'm not here to make you scared. It is what it is, right? So many people on YouTube has been pumping Axie Infinity even while price has been coming down, and it doesn't make sense. We need to prepare for these type of events. And currently, I'm not massively bullish into the market in Axie Infinity. And I won't get that way until we see price break above 120. Okay, so now, let me switch this back over to the daily. Okay, and we need to identify, right? We need to identify how low we expect the market to go, right? So we're going to play the weakness into the market in Axie Infinity until we see price break above 120. Cool. Now, we need to be prepared though. I'm here to tell you that as long as price holds this ascending line, my price prediction is going to be wrong. I already know that. So why am I playing the weakness? Because of the weekly time frame, of the 5-day time frame. It is still showing me that the sellers are dominating the market. That's why I'm forecasting and predicting price to continue to go down. Now, where would be the next level though? You guys can see it right here, around $90 and then 80. Those two levels is where the buyers will be appearing next once we break this ascending line. All right. Yes, they're looking for 90, then ultimately 80. That's the next areas. So those would be my TP prices. Those would be the places that I would be taking the bag, taking the profit out the market. First, $90. Okay, it might be a very quick touch, but that gives us 12%. Next area will be 80. Gives us around 22%. All right. And I'm going to play the weakness in the market in Axie Infinity until we see price break 120 to the upside. Okay. So check this out. This is the outlook that we are creating in the market for Axie. Now, currently, yes, the market is going against my price prediction. I understand that is part of the risk of what you do when you predict and forecast market movements. But what I'm looking forward to is being seen and displayed on a 5-day time frame, a 3-day time frame, even on a weekly. Right. So I'm at least giving myself that much time to let this play work. OK, not tomorrow, not the second day, but 5 days, maybe a week or so for us to continue to let this market come down. All right. So this is it. This is my price prediction in the market in the Axie Infinity. Still playing a little bit of weakness. As you all can tell, I'm not expecting a massive collapse in price. We got two areas, $90 and $80. Those are the levels that I'm looking for the buyers to appear. That was your turn. Draw me your price prediction with where you think Axie is going to go over the next couple of weeks. Let's do 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and see where we're at. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and definitely want to say thank you to the day ones who have been supporting this channel since the beginning. I'm done.